Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn about lesson 1, revision, term 1, kingdoms of rivers. Subject, social science, standard 4. In this lesson we are going to learn about, do you know about Tamil kingdoms of Sangam age? Do you know about Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas? To understand the administrative, economic and social conditions during Sangam period. Do you know about Kurunila மன்னர்கள்? Now let us look at the kings of Cheras. Cheras were the forerunners of the Movendargal who ruled on the banks of river Poigai, and their capital city was Vanji, Port, Tundi and Musiri, Flock, Pau and Aro. The Cheranadu was comprised of the present western districts of Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore, Neelagiris and Kerala. The Chera king Nedunjaraladan, king the title of Imayavaramban Nedunjaraladan, has conquered up to the Himalayas and coasted the flock with the symbol of Pau and Aro. The son of Nedunjaraladan, Cheran Sengutuvan erected the statue of Kannagi. This temple of Kannagi was built by the stones brought from the Himalayas after defeating King Kanagavijaya. This can be understood from the epic Silappadigaram written by Sengutuvan's brother Ilongovadigal. Paditru helps to know about the Chera kings during Sangam period. Next we learn about Cholas. Now Cholas they ruled on the bank of river Kaveri. The early Cholas kept Urayur as their capital city. Urithirangannanar of Kadalur in his Pattinapalai describes that Cholanade is famous for rice. The Chola kingdom comprised the districts of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kadalur. The land of Cholas was fertile due to the river Kaveri. The kings ruled by providing justice to their subjects. The greatest ruler among the Cholas was Karigala Cholan, who was also called Karigal Peruvalathan. Next one, Karigala Cholan. Karigala Cholan took the responsibility of a king at a very early age and ruled efficiently. When he was very young, he was captured by his enemies and imprisoned. The room in which he was arrested was set on fire. In this fire accident, his feet burned due to his short leg. He was called as Karigalan. The Cheras and Pandyas together attacked Karigalan at Penni Vagai Parandalai. Finally, Karigala Cholan defeated the two rulers there and was victorious. He invaded Sri Lanka and brought the captives from there. To build the tomb Kallanai across the river Kaveri. The tomb still stands, erected even after 2000 years of its construction. Next we learn about choose the correct answer. First one, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Movendargal. Second one, the efficient king among the Cheras, Cheran Sengutuvan. Third one, port of Cholas was Kaveri Pumpattinam. Fourth one, the flock of Pandyas was fish. Fifth one, the Vallal feudal lord who gave his chariot to Mullai was Pari. Second Roman letter match the following. First one, Cheras, Poigai. Cholas, Kaveri. Pandyas, Vaigai. Pallavas, Palar. Third Roman letter answer the following. First one, who were the greatest kings among the Cheras? Answer, Imayavarman Nedunjeralathan and Senguttuvan were the greatest kings among the Cheras. Second one, who were Kadayelu Vallalgal? Answer, Pegan, Pari, Edumudikari, Ai, Adiyaman, Nalli, Valvil Ori. Third one, name the capital and port of the Cholas. Answer, capital Urayur, port Kaveri Pumbadinam. Thank you.